Hey everybody, so a little update here. I got my part for my FG3000. I ordered this little capacitor here, which I think was the bad part. It's causing the timing and trigger board to go crazy, so I've got the new one installed. Got it soldered on the board there, so we're going to try it out and see if it works. So we're going to try to put this in here with one hand. It's a little bit tricky. There we go. Snaps in place like that. Alright. So there's our flash head, and we're going to power this thing on and see if it works. See how loud this thing is. Hey, look at that. Some day mode. Right. Well, hopefully it stays fixed. That's all for now.